Hi, today I'm for the LG Q70 and I'll show you how to change screen recorder sound settings on this device. So first, let's open the notification panel shortcuts, and now you should find screen recording icon. Just hold for a while this icon, and now we just launch the screen recording settings. Just tap to audio source, and now we can change here the microphone to the contents. So now all our system sounds, they all just recorded in our screen recording. Also we can change it to the microphone if you wanna comment something, so just in your recording, for example, to use the tutorial. So that's it, that's how to change sound settings on our LG device. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.